This silent lifeboat house hides a story few will ever know. In 1928, the Mary Stanford launched from here into a violent storm to save a sinking ship. But the message came too late. The crew had already been rescued. 17 men, all from this small village, drowned trying to save lives that didn't need saving. It remains the worst tragedy in RNLI history. Now, the birds call across Rye Harbour Nature Reserve. Life goes on, wild and beautiful. But the wind still remembers, and the sea never forgets.